अस्सलाम वालेकुम दोस्तों, क्या हाल है। उम्मीद है मेरे तमाम दोस्त ठीक ठाक होंगे। हेलो, हाउ आर यू ऑल माय डियर फ्रेंड। आई होप ऑल माय डियर फ्रेंड इज़ वेरी वेल। थैंक यू वंस अगेन फॉर ज्वाइनिंग। एक बार फिर आपकी खिदमत में हाजिर हूँ दोस्तों, मैं आज एक नए टॉपिक के साथ। थैंक यू सो मच फॉर ज्वाइनिंग। तो इंशाल्लाह आपको आज नए टॉपिक और प्रोजेक्ट के ऊपर हम बात करेंगे और मैं आपको इस प्रोजेक्ट के हवाले से जो रिव्यू है वो दूंगा। तो जुड़े रहिएगा मेरे साथ इंशाल्लाह तमाम तर मालूमात के साथ। थैंक यू ऑल ऑफ़ यू फॉर ज्वाइनिंग माय लाइव स्ट्रीम। थैंक यू सो मच। इंशाल्लाह कोशिश करूँगा कि तमाम तर जो अच्छा से अच्छी अपना बेस्ट से बेस्ट कर सकूँ और आपको रिव्यू दे सकूँ। थैंक यू सो मच। लेट्स स्टार्ट द प्रोजेक्ट नाउ। स्काईफॉल, थैंक यू सो मच। स्टार एंड क्रिप्टो, आई एम मोहम्मद बिन यासीन, आपका भी शुक्रिया। थोड़ी देर दरवाज़ा बंद करके अज़ान होगी अभी। थैंक यू सो मच फॉर ज्वाइनिंग। So let's start the project, my dear friend. LNFI network LN trading fair and granted win to trade to SMASH golden eggs share to 1000000 LN. Thank you so much all of you. Thank you already. Thank you so much Muhammad bin Yasin and other friend. Thank you so much for joining. So my dear friend, I tell you, you see my dear friend, my topic today, once again I tell you, thank you so much for joining. Gale Live bonus task trading fair alpha L and project review, and I tell you the review of this my dear friend. So let's once again, Gate launches the LNFI network LN fair. Join the fun by the Samsung Golden Egg to win trade balls and share 1000000 in LN reward. The more chance to Shames golden eggs, their higher probability of winning bag. Please click to join button below the participation. तो ज्वाइन करते हैं दोस्तों आपको। Thank you so much once again for joining my dear friend. Thank you so much all of you. Gate user and A99. Now you see the LNFI network LN trading fair. Trade share 1000000 grand prize and 7 days रहते हैं अभी दोस्तों, और चांस आपके साथ कंप्लीट टास्क एंड यू विल गेट मोर चांस। चलते हैं आगे की जानिब और आपको खूबसूरत से एग्स दिखाते हैं। नाउ यू सी द टास्क प्ले एंड माई प्राइज। थैंक यू सो मच फॉर ज्वाइनिंग वंस अगेन। आप तमाम दोस्तों का बेहद शुक्रिया ज्वाइन करने के लिए। दोस्तों आप देख सकते हैं गोल्डन एग्स। चलते हैं आगे की जानिब। नाउ द एक्टिविटी रूल्स। थैंक यू सो मच। पार्टिसिपेशन can get chance to great prize by the completing any one of the following tasks. User must visit event page on the same day to claim their task reward. Thank you Hasib and Hubeo. Thank you so much Hubeo. And now the trading, spot trading. You see my dear friend, the spot trading I tell you. Thank you so much for joining. Now the get one chance for every 500 LN spot trading volume of 700 spot trading volume of the other token accumulated. Get up to 10 chances by the third the spot trading. And now the next one is invite friends. Thank you so much. Now the invite friend, new friends. Thank you all of you my dear friend. Thank you Ijaz Khan for joining. Thank you so much. No time. And Muhammad bin Yasin also. Thank you so much all of you for joining my live stream. So my dear friend, now you see once again I tell you my project Gale Live bonus task trading fair alpha L and project review, and I tell you the review of this project my dear friend. Thank you. No time and Skyfall. Thank you all of you once again. So the next one I tell you, invite a new user to register and complete a single deposit of any amount into L and spot trading or future trading to get one chance. Number 2 my dear friend, if the invite complete single deposit of the latest 1000 any token to accumulate 500 spot trading volume or the reach 2000 in future trading volume with invite get to the additional chance up to the 500 new user can be invited. Now once again I tell you my dear friend, this is the important now. Invite new friend. Thank you so much. Invite a new user to register and complete the single deposit of any amount ln of the spot trading on future trading to get one chance. If the invite complete a single deposit and at last 100 any token to accumulate 500 in spot trading volume of reach 2000 in the future trading volume. Thank you so much all of you. In their invite get to additional chance to up to 500 new user can receive. Thank you so much. Now the next one I tell you my dear friend, the launch pool. This is the launch pool of this my dear friend. Thank you so much once again for joining. Thank you so much Rumi for joining. Rumi, bonus to deposit. Thank you so much Rumi. Welcome. Khoshamdi to join my live stream. Have a nice day, good day, and also good to see you Rumi. Thank you so much for joining Muhammad bin Yasin, Avan Khan, and other friend. Now the launch pool of this user participation in launch pool. The first time will get 3 chance during the event. Not first participation will get 1 chance for each launch pool participation. Thank you so much once again. Now the new user bonus. Now the new user bonus my dear friend. Thank you so much. Now the registered and complete the single deposit of any amount in LN or spot trading future trading to get more chance a single deposit of at least 100 any token to 500 in spot trading volume of 2000 in future trading volume. Thank you so much Prince Yummy. Thank you so much Kaya and Kate user friend. Thank you so much. Now the volume get 3 chance. Thank you so much once again and all of you my dear friend. आप तमाम दोस्तों का बेहद शुक्रिया ज्वाइन करने के लिए और कमेंट्स करने के लिए. तो अभी हम आगे की तरफ चलते हैं. द नेक्स्ट वन आई टेल यू माय डियर फ्रेंड. थैंक यू एंड शेयर टू विन. थैंक यू सो मच. नाउ दिस इज द शेयर टू विन. वंस अगेन आई टेल यू डियर. Thank you so much all of you once again. Now the Akron and the Princes. Thank you so much all of you. Now share the page with the friends and the invite successfully. Login page and complete any task into the interview with cap of 1500. Close. Now the notice. I tell you dear friend, notice. Number 1, trading volume, buy volume, sell volume. Number 2, deposit in limited to on chain deposit from other platform to get account or buying crypto on Gate will create it debit card fund and transfer deposit amount at Gate account will be invalid. Now number 3, thank you once again. आपका शुक्रिया दोस्तों ज्वाइन करने के लिए. नाउ नंबर 3, प्लीज़ कंप्लीट आइडेंटिटी वेरिफिकेशन बिफोर द इवेंट एंड टू रिसीव रिवॉर्ड. थैंक यू सो मच माय लवली फ्रेंड. आप तमाम दोस्तों का बेहद शुक्रिया ज्वाइन करने के लिए. अभी हम आगे की तरफ चलते हैं और आपको मज़ीद डिटेल बताते हैं. थैंक यू. नाउ नंबर 3, इन दिस टाइम आई विल टेल यू द नंबर 3 माय डियर फ्रेंड. प्लीज़ कंप्लीट आइडेंटिटी वेरिफिकेशन before the event and receive the reward. Thank you so much Rumi. Once again thank you so much Rumi for joining my dear friend Rumi. How are you my dear friend Rumi? Thank you so much. Now number 4, market corporation and institutional accounts are not eligible to participate in the event. Number 5, one user with sub account and the master account and multiple accounts with the same identity information will dependent on the same organization, while the trading volume of sub accounts want to be content that of the master account and sub account are not eligible to participate in the event. Now number 6, Gate reserve all right to the final explanation. Thank you so much Madeline. Thank you so much for joining. And now the Shagohi. Thank you so much Shagohi and Madeline. All of you thank you so much my lovely friend. You see. Now the next one I tell you my dear friend. आपका शुक्रिया ज्वाइन करने के लिए। अभी हम चलते हैं वापसी की जानिब और आपको दोबारा से ले चलते हैं इसकी ऑफिशियल वेबसाइट की जानिब। थैंक यू सो मच फॉर ज्वाइनिंग माय डियर फ्रेंड। आप तमाम दोस्तों का बेहद शुक्रिया। रूमी, थैंक यू सो मच फॉर ज्वाइनिंग रूमी। नाउ द ऑफिशियल वेबसाइट ऑफ दिस, thank you so much. Now you see they are shipping Bitcoin rainy season 1. Thank you so much once again, Kate user and other friend. Thank you so much. This is the official website of this, my dear friend. आगे चलते हैं दोस्तों. Thank you so much for joining the launch app. Thank you all of you. Next one is, my dear friend, thank you. Build to the scale. Build to the scale. In all in one financial, one lawyer for the Taproot plus RGB assets. Total volume 8.61 billion. Now the Lighting network capacity and total addresses. Thank you so much for joining Crypto Champion. Now this is the official website by dear friend. You see the decentralization payment network and listing network, Bitcoin NOSTR, no star, and the direct relation and the money network, the decentralization and the message network. Our stock, where Bitcoin Lightning network and Nostr coverage open the standard powering network ecosystem. Thank you so much, Guzi and Crypto Champion. आगे चलते हैं. Now the token mix. Now the unlocking multiple asset DeFi on the Lightning network. The tokenomics. Thank you so much. Good. अच्छे प्यारे वेदर एवरीवन. Thank you so much क्रिप्टो चैम्पियन. और आपको खुश आमदीद कहता हूँ अपनी लाइव स्ट्रीम पर क्रिप्टो चैम्पियन. Now the issue, launch and trade. Issue the token, launch and competition list on the exchange, and the LNFI sport are the full liquefaction of the assets. Thank you. Now the upscale. This is the upscale, my dear friend. Lighting DeFi on the Lighting user active fuels and the Light network. Whether one pay to trade, our need to network effect are the multiple. Thank you so much, Shagohi and the MK1975. Thank you so much, MK. Now enable. Thank you so much, the Labuba. I think Labuba 66. Thank you so much, Labuba. And now the enable. Use case beyond the Lighting payment without the Lenny LNFI. The primary purpose of the Light network is the faculty payment due to the limited experience of Bitcoin script. Now the LNF1 is the beginning leverage to the bring fully experience for the application and development understand by the blockchain conversation. Thank you so much. This is the official website of this, my dear friend. Thank you so much. Why build on LNFI? Number one, issue, launch and grow. And now the tokenization and the financialization. Now the complete the booster. Thank you so much all of you. आपका शुक्रिया दोस्तों ज्वाइन करने के लिए. अभी आगे की तरफ चलते हैं. Now number 2, the global instant and settlement on the Lighting network. Thank you so much. Number 3, and now the 10000 TPS and the red clarity, simple yet powerful. Now the recordedly simple yet powerful. Thank you so much all of you. And now the next one, my dear friend, let's get started. And this is the beautiful graph of, once again you see, my dear friend. Now set up Alan Nudes. Thank you so much. The manager your Lighting Nudes earn yield and to Bitcoin liquidity access app on the Lighting network. And now create channel 1. Establish and channel with us and start earning SLN. Create channel once again. Thank you so much. Now the developer resources. All you need to start building the next biggest app on the Lighting network. The next one is, my dear friend. Now you see the roadmap. And now the 2024, 2025 and 2025. Thank you, Skyfall. Thank you so much for joining, Skyfall. आपका शुक्रिया. चलते हैं आगे की जानिब. The Trapped Assets Management LN Node V1 LN Link V1, the channel mining and point system, LN Exchange V1. Thank you. LN started V1, the sport of Trupro asset deposit. It is a withdraw with the LN1 exchange V2, LN issue and flash account LN node V2. Now the 2025 key 2025. Thank you Bangladesh and other friend. Thank you so much. Now the LN need V3, LN started V2, channel 1 mining and the PAFI mining. Now the LN exchange V3, LN node V3 and PayMe SDK. Thank you so much for joining once again. Perry 1122, thank you so much. Engineer Yusuf, आपका शुक्रिया. And the Captain Dark, thank you so much Captain Dark. Now the next one is the backed by the leading investor in the Bitcoin ecosystem. Thank you Danish Take. Thank you so much Moseline and Danish Take. Thank you so much all of you. Now you see the backed by the leading investor in the Bitcoin ecosystem. तो ये इसके जो इन्वेस्टर हैं वो आपके सामने हैं LNFI. Now the future on, आपके सामने future on Bitcoin news and other many things. Thank you so much once again. Now the partner, you see interrogation partner and a channel partner. इंट्रोगेशन पार्टनर आपके सामने है और चैनल में Binance है, वॉलेट ऑफ Satoshi. थैंक यू सो मच संतोषी. एंड इंसर्ट क्वीन, थैंक यू सो मच फॉर ज्वाइनिंग इंसर्ट और मैनी पार्टनर्स ऑफ दिस माय डियर फ्रेंड. सो नाउ स्टे अप एंड ज्वाइन आवर कम्युनिटी. तो ये देख सकते हैं आप, स्टे अपडेट, रीड आवर लेटेस्ट अनाउंसमेंट ऑन मीडियम एंड नाउ ज्वाइन आवर कम्युनिटी, ज्वाइन आवर टेलीग्राम, कॉन्टैक्ट विद द लिंक mentored individuals. Thank you so much all of you my dear friend. Thank you for joining once again. I tell you my dear friend, this is my project bonus task, Gear Live bonus task trading fair alpha LN project review, and I tell you the review this project. In this time I tell you the official website. Now go to the white paper. Thank you so much my dear friend. This is the white paper of this. Thank you Ijaz Khan and Amisa and Ibrar Hussain also. Thank you so much Abrar, Amisa and other friend. Thank you so much. Now the overview. Now this is the overview. First of all, the overview of this my dear friend. DeFi network unlock multiple assets DeFi on the Lightning network thought next. Thank you so much for joining once again my dear friend. आपका शुक्रिया ज्वाइन करने के लिए. अस्सलाम वालेकुम. Thank you. जी सर, जी सर, जी सर जी. Thank you so much once again for joining my dear friend. Crypto champion once again for joining my dear friend. आपका शुक्रिया ज्वाइन करने के लिए. अभी चलते हैं आगे की जानिब. Now the network unlock multiple asset DeFi on the listing network thought next generation financial and infrastructure enable user to trade and manage Bitcoin, Tapper assets and RGB asset Viva Lighting. Thank you so much once again for joining. The next one I tell you my dear friend, the LUNFI. Thank you so much. The Lenti Edge, the transforming listing from the payments to the programming financial lawyer. And thank you once again for joining my dear friend. This is the white paper of this. Assalamu alaikum sir. वालेकुम सलाम जी सर जी. सर मैं 21 करके दूँ. ठीक है. Thank you. Now the next one my dear friend, the Lightning network revolutionization Bitcoin instanced with the cost payment. However, it is a core distance exclusive ultimate transfer. Thank you so much. Now the simple one of this. Thank you so much once again my dear friend. Distant low and the simple one way to send LNF network built to the Intel digitalization application lawyer up and Lightning unlock 3 transformative capitals. Thank you so much once again for joining. आप दोस्तों का बेहद शुक्रिया ज्वाइन करने के लिए. तो आपको बताता चलूँ, आज हम फिर से एक बार प्रोजेक्ट के ऊपर ही बात कर रहे हैं और आपको रिव्यू दे रहा हूँ, और इस टाइम वाइट पेपर के ऊपर हम मौजूद हैं। तो जुड़े रहिएगा, बने रहिएगा मेरे साथ। आपको इंशाल्लाह इस वाइट पेपर के हवाले से भी तमाम तर जो रिलेटेड मालूमात है वो भी देता चलूँगा। चलते हैं आगे की जानिब। थैंक यू सो मच वंस अगेन। नाउ द LNFI नेटवर्क build to Intel digitalization application lies at top listing unlocking the transfer capability. Thank you so much once again. तमाम दोस्तों का बेहद शुक्रिया। Now the programming logistic building complex and conditional financial agreements and display with the off-chain layer provided by the Nooster. Thank you so much everyone for joining my live stream. Thank you so much for joining. Now the next one I tell you, my dear friend. Thank you all of you once again. You see my topic, my project now. Today once again I tell you dear. And now this is the white paper of this Gale Life Bonus Stars Trading के ऊपर हम आपसे बात कर रहे हैं और आपको रिव्यू दे रहा हूं दोस्तों। तो चलते हैं आगे की जानिब और बताते हैं आपको प्रोग्रामिंग लॉजिस्टिक एम्बेडिंग कॉम्प्लेक्स एडिशनल फाइनेंशियल अगेनमेंट डायरेक्टली विद इन द ऑफ चैन लायर पावर्ड बाय द Nooster. Now the next one, and secure Billster settlement enable trust misted automatic exchange of the volume between the pair native multiple assets sports and financial the ensure management and transfer of the device assets typer assets RGB assets RWS and stable coins in game limits seamless over the lighting. Thank you so much once again. The Amisa El Lutubo, thank you so much. Amisa El Lutubo, also crypto champion. Thank you so much for joining. Okay, my dear friend, crypto champion. Thank you for joining. Crypto champion MacBook नहीं है. Thank you so much for joining once again. So the next one, secure Billster and settlement eligible trade mind and automatic exchange of the value between pairs, e.g. SWPC trade on the Lightning Network. With the Fentel on the Bitcoin blockchain, the native multiple asset support financial, the ensure the management and transfer of the deserving asset and top-out asset RGB asset RWA stablecoin in the game Atom seamless over the listing. This transfer Lightning Network from a payment rail into the powerful platform in open. Thank you so much. तो क्रिप्टो चैम्पियन क्रिप्टो मैकबुक की कमी महसूस हो रही है। शुक्रिया आपका क्रिप्टो चैम्पियन फॉर द गिफ्ट। थैंक यू सो मच। उम्मीद है कि क्रिप्टो मैकबुक भी हमें ज्वाइन करेंगे, क्योंकि आज क्रिप्टो लेडी और यूनिवर्स लेडी और डॉल का कोई पता नहीं कहाँ पर हैं। तो उम्मीद है कि क्रिप्टो मैकबुक और शाइनिंग स्टार, कहाँ हैं हमारे स्टार ऑफ लाइव स्ट्रीम, शाइनिंग स्टार। थैंक यू सो मच, ब्यूटीफुल गिफ्ट फ्रॉम crypto champion. Now the next one, once again I tell you dear friend, the proof LN exchange. Consider the L exchange Leffy orders. Thank you Kerdobi. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. The part of LN exchange, the consider the exchange LN exchange LNFI is the order book DEX. Here is the LNFI Lenfi advantage in the action order logic Nestor user the broadcast overwise the decentralization network the main chain login Nestor order the main chain is pre to pre per to pre based on the netware. Thank you so much Ken Sifar. Thank you so much Ken Sifar. Thank you for joining my dear friend Ken Sifar. And now the next one, I thank you so much my dear friend. The settlement हो गया था, अभी हम आगे की तरफ चलते हैं। Thank you so much for joining once again. Now the without LNFI, this is the impossible base Bitcoin and Lightning task of the programmability and enforcing the conditional sweep logic and the Billster settlement mechanism required to the future exchange. LNFI they provide a install settlement layer and asset. Thank you Agrigon. Thank you so much. Without the Without LNFI, this impossible. Base Bitcoin and the Lightning leg to the programmability interface to the conditional sweep logic and the barrier settlement mechanism required for the future exchange. तो ये हो गया था जो आगे चलते हैं. थैंक यू Carino boy, thank you so much Carino boy. Now the beyond exchange, this same foundation probability built a settlement and the multiple assets support power the inter LNFI ecosystem token launches launch pool verifiable access to the P2P marketplace and the installment token gift running the LG gift all participation of the Bitcoin security and listing speed. Thank you so much the Real Baba. Thank you so much Real Baba for the comments. वेलकम खुश आमदी रियल बाबा. आज आपका मैसेज देकर बहुत खुशी हुई. वैसे तो हमेशा ही मैं आपको वेलकम करता हूं, लेकिन आज आपको देखकर खुशी हुई कि आज आपने मुझे मैसेज किया. थैंक यू सो मच द फेरनल बाबा. हाउ आर यू माय डियर फ्रेंड फेरनल बाबा. थैंक यू क्रिप्टो बॉय. Karen boy. Thank you so much for that joining. Now next one, the Laffy EDH enable new paradigm secure compensation multiple asset financial application native on Bitcoin long standards light 2. Thank you so much all of you. And now the no number 2 lightning network. The next one application layer you see dear friend. Now the complete task the life cycle support. Thank you Kernel Baba. So the LNFI Lenfi spotted the life cycle of the throughput of RGB asset from the issue to launch list and trade, whether you are the issuing a new token, launching a token, combining or building application. LNFI offers on all in the one. Thank you so much for joining. Now the token campaigning. Thank you so much. Or the building application left you offer all in the one multiple assets financial lawyer to power your project from the launch to scale. Thank you once again. तमाम दोस्तों का बेहद शुक्रिया ज्वाइन करने के लिए. अभी हम आगे की तरफ जा रहे हैं. थैंक यू सो मच. ओके थैंक यू सो मच. नाउ द नेक्स्ट वन, launch 2 issue 1 and last trade for manage. Thank you so much. तो ये लिस्ट आपके सामने मौजूद है, तो आप दोस्त देख सकते हैं इसको. थैंक यू सो मच once again. Now the next one, this is the white paper of this and I tell you the vision. Thank you so much Karen boy. Karen boy. Thank you so much Karen boy for joining. The building in the infrastructure lawyer. Okay, thank you so much for joining my dear friend. आप तमाम दोस्तों का बेहद शुक्रिया ज्वाइन करने के लिए. Okay, my dear friend, I tell you once again, this is the next one. Thank you so much for joining. आप दोस्तों का शुक्रिया. Now the Ramzan Khan, thank you so much Ramzan Khan. आपका शुक्रिया. Sports, thank you Shorts, thank you so much Ramzan and Shorts. Now the vision, building the infrastructure for hyper Bitcoinization. Bitcoin Z world. Thank you so much. Now the Bitcoin is the enabling the beyond digital gold and to the breakdown of the global financial transaction, digitalization, monetary lawyer for the value. Yes, yet for the security and transaction, a human Bitcoin future where the Bitcoin decolonize saving trade and the contracts. We need more the base lawyer we need to the ecosystem. Thank you so much once again my dear friend. Zong Gili, thank you so much. Zengu Gilan, thank you so much for joining Zengi. And also good to see you Zengi. This is the win my dear friend. Once again I tell you. Now the next one is my dear friend. Thank you so much for joining. Now the by unfailing the Bitcoin security listing, instant the settlement notes and in concept registered competition and native multiple asset functionality, we are create the independence result for the open decentralization enterprise internet. Thank you once again. आप दोस्तों का बेहद शुक्रिया दोस्तों ज्वाइन करने के लिए। अभी हम चलते हैं आगे की जानिब और आपको इसके ऊपर मज़ीद न्यूज़ शेयर करता हूँ। थैंक यू सो मच ऑल ऑफ़ यू वंस अगेन। आपका बेहद शुक्रिया ज्वाइन करने के लिए। द नेक्स्ट वन आई टेल यू माय डियर फ्रेंड, thank you so much. Now the where is the real world stable coin and other token assets settlement peer to peer at listing speed. Thank you, my lovely friend. Thank you so much for joining, and also good to see you. And गुड इवनिंग। थैंक यू सो मच माय डियर फ्रेंड। आप तमाम दोस्तों का बेहद शुक्रिया ज्वाइन करने के लिए। हम वाइट पेपर के ऊपर बात कर रहे हैं और विज़न के ऊपर अभी हम बात कर रहे हैं, तो चलते हैं आगे की जानिब। Now the next one is my dear friend, where anyone and everyone can issue the settle and manage the tokenization capital markets in Bitcoin on the native infrastructure. Thank you so much once again. Now this is the speculation and infrastructure. Thank you Lababo. Thank you so much for joining my dear friend. Thank you so much. Now the next one is there. As inflation adheres legacy currency and the native scale natural monetary stand institutional will demand three gains. Now security. Thank you so much. Number three point, my dear friend. The first of security ensure to the Bitcoin proof of work and scalability beyond the blockchain limits the sovereign thought on the custodial interoperability. Thank you so much, Muhammad bin Yasin, for joining, my dear friend Crypto Puppy. This is the very cool. Thank you so much, Crypto Puppy, for joining. Hello, my dear friend Crypto Puppy. Thank you so much for joining. Now, तो आगे की तरफ चलते हैं दोस्तों, क्रिप्टो पपी से आगे की तरफ चलते हैं। Now the LeFi deliver in the thought protocols like LN exchange digitalization, LN issue assets tokenize, and LN star verifiable token launch campaigning. Thank you so much. Our mission, my dear friend. This is our mission of this accelerate to transaction to world where value moves for the scored Bitcoin selected by the lengthening conferred node to the powered by the LNFI. Now Bitcoin Lighting node multiple asset responsible most integration opportunity to the reward digitalization internet. Thank you so much. Now the next one is the hyper Bitcoin future is to the question of if but how LNFI built to the show. Now the next one is key future, my dear friend. I tell you the key future of this. Thank you so much for joining. Once again, Lubab and Ivan Khan. Thank you for joining, Ivan. Now with the future LNFI transaction listing network from a payment rail into the powerful platform for open programming able finance. Now multiple asset financial layer. LNF5 is the full financial layer app to the Lightning node, enable to the listing, standing, trading, staking, and looking and management of top root assets and RGB asset across the application is an open digitalization interoperability internet. Now the is the TokenX anything. Thank you so much. The TokenX anything. Thank you so much for joining, my dear friend TRX and Ivan Khan. Multiple asset financial lawyer. LNFI is the full financial lawyer at top the listing enable to issuing, sending, trading, staking, locking and management of the top of assets RGB asset across the application and open digitalization interoperability net. Now the token next anything. Thank you. Any application can issue its own protocols, token, founder reward, and user settlement payment. Thank you so much once again. Our booster competent correctly and the Lightning Network Bitcoin faster lawyer. Thank you so much. Big King. Thank you so much, Big King. Have a nice day. बड़े बादशाह आपका शुक्रिया ज्वाइन करने के लिए और कमेंट्स करने के लिए. Thank you so much, Bitcoin. Thank you so much. Now the next one, my dear friend. The token can respond to anything protocol commands. Thank you so much for the joining, my dear friend. The token corporated anything the protocols command and corrupted quit government debate corporated bonds and stable coin and the participation. Thank you so much for joining. Any valuable assets, every latent points transaction into the liquid and the tradable asset on the global scale. Now the token on LNFI LENFI are the issue in the form of Tapper assets and RGB assets that are the competing with the lighting for a global instant settlement. Thank you so much. Now the beyond payment. This is the beyond payment. LeFi expand to listing network beyond the simple payment of endurable enterprises of chain logistic of the building DeFi, Gamefly, and Social F. The DeFi pin and native apps and more without the blockchain limitation. Thank you so much, the Gulp Colo. The next is the ultra low fees is not no fees. Settlement on the Lightning thing and not blockchain. Ultra low fees, just fast glasses transaction. Thank you so much, the Marco. Now the next one is, my dear friend, transparency by the DeFi. The LNF store every user action extend as native event the digitalization lawyer and IPFS allowing the full of validation verification of very transaction without the accompanying user privacy. Thank you. The build on speed. LNFI seek to the driver all settlement at 1 million plus TPS on the Lightning network. Thank you so much, all of you. Now, once again, my dear friend, you see my project review. I tell you. Now, the Gear Live Bonus Stars Trading Fair Alpha L and project review. And I tell you the review of this, my dear friend. Thank you so much for joining. आप दोस्तों का बेहद शुक्रिया. अभी हम वाइट पेपर के ऊपर बात कर रहे हैं. थैंक यू सो मच फॉर ज्वाइनिंग वंस अगेन. Now the next one is technology. Technology, yeah. Thank you so much for technology. Our technology stake. You see our technology of stake. Bitcoin and the decentralized issue, the money power network, and now the light network, the decentralization settlement network, the Nostr and the destination messaging network, the Taproot asset and RGB protocols, multiple asset protects on the Bitcoin. Thank you so much once again. तमाम दोस्तों का बेहद शुक्रिया. नो टाइम, थैंक यू सो मच फॉर ज्वाइनिंग. नो टाइम, आपका शुक्रिया, आपने मुझे ज्वाइन किया और मुझे आपने टाइम दिया. थैंक यू सो मच. नो टाइम, थैंक यू सो मच ऑल ऑफ यू. Now LNFI is the build on the most powerful innovative Bitcoin structure combining the security of the Bitcoin, the scalability of the Lightning network and expand the program it the digital identity of the Nestor to build on open digitalization and interoperable internetwork powered by the multi-asset issuer with the Taproot asset and RGB protocols. Thank you, Aman Khan and Skyfall. Pricey, thank you so much. This technology from the foundation of LeFi to unlock multiple asset DeFi on the Lightning network enable user to train, earn, and manage Bitcoin, Taproot assets and RGB asset Viva Lightning Fi. Thank you so much. Once again, तमाम दोस्तों का बेहद शुक्रगुजार हूँ जिन्होंने मुझे ज्वाइन किया हुआ है. थैंक यू सो मच ऑल ऑफ यू. तभी चलते हैं आगे की तरफ. व्हाट इज द बिटकॉइन. थैंक यू सो मच. दिस इज द व्हाट इज द बिटकॉइन और हम बात करेंगे कि बिटकॉइन क्या चीज़ है आखिर. थैंक यू सो मच फॉर ज्वाइनिंग वंस अगेन. आप दोस्तों का बेहद शुक्रिया ज्वाइन करने के लिए. तो अभी हम चलते हैं व्हाट इज़ द बिटकॉइन, उसके ऊपर हम बात कर रहे हैं. थैंक यू सो मच फॉर ज्वाइनिंग वंस अगेन. अभी आगे चलते हैं. बिटकॉइन इज़ द वर्ल्ड मोस्ट सिक्योर चेन and agreeable to the most security competitive network to the world. Thank you once again. आप दोस्तों का बेहद शुक्रिया दोस्तों ज्वाइन करने के लिए. जुड़े रहिएगा मेरे साथ. हम बात कर रहे हैं व्हाट इज़ द बिटकॉइन के ऊपर और अभी हम आगे चलते हैं और आपको मज़ीद इसके बारे में डिटेल बताते हैं। तो मेरे साथ जुड़े रहिएगा इंशाल्लाह। तमाम तर मालूमात के साथ हम आगे की तरफ जा रहे हैं। थैंक यू सो मच वंस अगेन। नाउ द विद द 900 quotation reaches to competition power driver for the supercomputer combining this create the only network capable of the meeting institutional demand and immovable finality beyond to the tolerance and the consensus registration settlement. Thank you so much once again. Now, when the translation in assets tokenize any, they require the level of bedrock security. Anything less is the comprehensive. Thank you. What is the lightning network? थैंक यू सो मच। व्हाट इज़ द लाइटनिंग नेटवर्क के ऊपर हम बात कर लेते हैं दोस्तों आपके साथ। तो मेरे साथ ही जुड़े रहिएगा आपका वेंगल एंड अबुल आनंद। थैंक यू सो मच अबुल आनंद फॉर ज्वाइनिंग। थैंक यू सो मच ऑल ऑफ यू। Now the what is the lighting network? Thank you so much my dear friend. आपका शुक्रिया ज्वाइन करने के लिए। हम चलते हैं आगे की जानिब और आपको बताते हैं थोड़ी सी मज़ीद मालूमात। थैंक यू सो मच। The Lightning Network is the peer-to-peer payment network. It leverages payment channel across on the Bitcoin blockchain to enable near instant and low-cost settlement of Bitcoin between the participation and multiple chain payment channels and change together to developer payment or any one of these. Thank you so much for joining the network without the written translation. Thank you so much for joining. हैव अ नाइस डे एंड गुड टू सी यू ऑल ऑफ़ यू माय डियर फ्रेंड। आप तमाम दोस्तों का बेहद शुक्रिया ज्वाइन करने के लिए। तो जुड़े रहिएगा मेरे साथ और बने रहिएगा मेरे साथ आज की मेरी स्ट्रीम में। थैंक यू सो मच वंस अगेन फॉर ज्वाइनिंग। आप सब दोस्तों का बेहद शुक्रिया ज्वाइन करने के लिए। थैंक यू। द नेक्स्ट वन माय डियर फ्रेंड, आई टेल यू the Lightning is the perfect solution for the scaling transaction and payments. If you want to scale, you can't use a single shared state. You have to up use pre-to-pre channels. Thank you so much for joining. आपका शुक्रिया दोस्तों ज्वाइन करने के लिए और बने रहने के लिए। थैंक यू सो मच फॉर ज्वाइनिंग। आपका बेहद शुक्रिया। तो चलते हैं आगे की जानिब और आपको मज़ीद इससे रिलेटेड मालूमात देता चलूँ दोस्तों। Now the Lightning channel is the base architecture enabled to harness scaling, powering and global network of the billion of user treadly and of a gauge and coiled fashion of the micro transactions. Thank you so much once again. आपका शुक्रिया। तो आप जुड़े रहिएगा मेरे साथ, बने रहिएगा। Thank you so much for joining my dear friend. Once again for joining. थैंक यू सो मच माय डियर फ्रेंड। तो अभी हम आगे की तरफ चलते हैं और आपको लेकर चलते हैं आगे की तरफ। थैंक यू सो मच। आपका शुक्रिया दोस्तों ज्वाइन करने के लिए। नाउ द नेक्स्ट वन इज़ द व्हाट इज़ द नोस्टर। थैंक यू सो मच माय डियर फ्रेंड। दिस इज़ द व्हाट इज़ द नोस्टर ऑफ दिस माय डियर फ्रेंड। थैंक यू सो मच क्रिप्टो another friend, thank you for joining. Thank you so much my dear friend. आप तमाम ही दोस्तों का बेहद शुक्रिया ज्वाइन करने के लिए, बने रहने के लिए, मेरे साथ रहिएगा दोस्तों। अभी हम चाह रहे हैं व्हाट इज़ द नोस्टर के ऊपर और आपको ले चलते हैं वापसी की जानिब, नोस्टर की तरफ ले चलते हैं। तो बने रहने के लिए आप दोस्तों का मैं बेहद शुक्रगुजार हूँ दोस्तों। हम वाइट पेपर के ऊपर इस टाइम बात कर रहे हैं। दिस इज़ द वाइट पेपर ऑफ दिस माय डियर फ्रेंड। Now once again I tell you, thank you so much Fernal Baba, thank you for joining. Crypto Princess and other friend, thank you so much for joining. आपका शुक्रिया। Now the Tomer, the Crypto Princess, thank you so much for joining. Now the what is the Noster? Noster and the offer of transition the by the layer decentralization communication protocols and powered by the open network. While the Bitcoin provider unlockable and security and listing MD Kharal, thank you so much. and isn't to the programming value transaction nester provide the unstable initialization messaging layer of the conditions. Now the consorship, thank you so much consorship for joining, thank you. MD Carol, Crypto Princess, Gate User, and other friends, thank you so much for joining. Now the censorship registration structure no authorization by the corporation of government and the anyone of rule real of build claim. Thank you so much for joining once again, Crypto Princess and Muhammad bin Yasin. Thank you so much, Muhammad bin Yasin. आपका शुक्रिया. K12, thank you so much, K12. Have a nice day, my dear friend, and also welcome to join my live stream. And also thank you, Crypto Princess, for joining my live stream. आपका शुक्रिया ज्वाइन करने के लिए और कमेंट्स करने के लिए. थैंक यू सो मच ऑल ऑफ यू फॉर ज्वाइनिंग माय लाइव स्ट्रीम. डिनर चिकन, थैंक यू सो मच डिनर चिकन, एंड आल्सो क्रिप्टो प्रिंसेस, थैंक यू सो मच ऑल ऑफ यू. तमाम दोस्तों का बेहद शुक्रगुजार हूँ जिन्होंने मुझे ज्वाइन किया हुआ है और कमेंट्स किए हैं खूबसूरत से. थैंक यू सो मच क्रिप्टो प्रिंसेस एंड अदर फ्रेंड. थैंक यू ऑल ऑफ यू. किलो वेलकम टू ज्वाइन माय लाइव स्ट्रीम. तो आज का खूबसूरत मौसम है हमारे यहाँ. हैप्पी ब्यूटीफुल डे माय डियर फ्रेंड. आप तमाम दोस्तों का बेहद शुक्रिया ज्वाइन करने के लिए. और अभी हम आगे की तरफ चलते हैं दोस्तों और आपको बताते हैं थोड़ा सा मज़ीद. नाउ द ग्लोबल इंटरऑपरेबिलिटी breaks down the valid generation application and user communication seamless across to network, secure digital identity verification, data in place and property contribute additional the like NIP of 05. Thank you so much. And the verifiable data transition foundation of the trust in tokenization ecosystem. Thank you so much once again, Crypto Princess. आपका शुक्रिया ज्वाइन करने के लिए. And also हैव अ गुड डे. थैंक यू सो मच फॉर ज्वाइनिंग. आपका शुक्रिया दोस्तों ज्वाइन करने के लिए. और अभी हम जा रहे हैं आके का मूकअप. थैंक यू सो मच मूकअप एंड अदर फ्रेंड, थैंक यू फॉर ज्वाइनिंग. आपका शुक्रिया दोस्तों. चलते हैं. अभी हम बता रहा था मैं आपको टैक्स. थैंक यू सो मच टैक्स. थैंक यू सो मच टैक्स. The DDs, thank you so much. The DDs. Now the next one is my dear friend. Now the secure digital identity and data ये हो गया था. Open conditional lawyer power and strict protection lawyer order to the matching EGLNI exchange. Thank you. Did the Queen Bee. Thank you so much. Now the next one, assets providing taking KYC attached flow and the community governance without the central point of failure control. Thank you so much, Crypto Princess. Always will share watching your content. Thank you so much for joining and thanks for the comments, my dear friend. What are the Bitcoin Layer 2s? Thank you so much. The Layer 2 protocol extend the Bitcoin compatibility by the building on the top of buyer layer without the modifying and the underlying consensus rules. This design provides the Bitcoin and security and digitalization while the introduction future they will useful specifics can use assets. Thank you so much. Keep it up. You are going places. Thank you so much. Now like the real assets and provide the credit combining and storing the bonds of implementation and extension. The Bitcoin Layer 2 provide the technical foundation of issue and settlement tokens and assets without any institutional standard global accessibility requirement. Thank you so much. Your consensus is so inspiring. Thank you so much for the comments once again. Discovery finally joined. Discovery, thank you so much Discovery for joining. Welcome, Khush Amdeed, Halan Wasalan, Marhaba Discovery. Thank you so much for joining Discovery. आपका शुक्रिया ज्वाइन करने का. और क्रिप्टो प्रिंसेस भी हमारे पास मौजूद थी. डिस्कवरी, हैव अ नाइस डे एंड आल्सो गुड टू सी यू. थैंक यू सो मच डिस्कवरी वंस अगेन टू ज्वाइन माय लाइव स्ट्रीम. थैंक यू सो मच डिस्कवरी फॉर ज्वाइनिंग. नाउ द नेक्स्ट वन, माय डियर फ्रेंड, आई टेल यू about Taproot Assets protocols. Thank you so much. Now the Taproot Assets enable. Marhaba, how are you? I am good, my dear sister. I think sister Discovery. Thank you. Thank you, lovely sister. Thank you so much. I am good, my dear lovely sister Discovery, for joining my live stream. Thank you so much once again. Thank you so much. Now, about the Taproot Assets Protocol. The Taproot Assets enable assets is shown in the direct to the Bitcoin with native compliant with the listing network. It combine on chain according with off chain speed offering near instant assets and transfer. Thank you so much for discovery. तो दोस्तों मैं आपको बताता चलूँ कि हमारे जो कॉन्टैक्ट का चल रहा है उसमें वोट कीजिएगा डिस्कवरी को. प्लीज़ वोट फॉर द डिस्कवरी ऑन कंटेंट. एंड नाउ द न्यू स्टीमर रिवॉर्ड के लिए, न्यू स्टीमर वोट के लिए आप क्रिप्टो प्रिंसेस को वोट कीजिएगा दोस्तों. आई टेल यू द कंटेंट ऑफ वोट डिस्कवरी. वोट फॉर डिस्कवरी प्लीज़ माय डियर फ्रेंड. डिस्कवरी को वोट कीजिएगा. थैंक यू सो मच डिस्कवरी क्रिप्टो प्रिंसेस एंड डिस्कवरी क्रिप्टो. आई थैंक यू सो मच फॉर द गिफ्ट. डिस्कवरी की तरफ से खूबसूरत गिफ्ट लग चुका है दोस्तों के लिए. थैंक यू सो मच फॉर ज्वाइनिंग डिस्कवरी. सो मच वेलकम. खुश आमदीद तमाम दोस्तों को खुश आमदीद करता हूँ. थैंक यू सो मच फॉर ज्वाइनिंग एंड थैंक्स फॉर द गिफ्ट फॉर द व्यूअर बाय डिस्कवरी. Beautiful friend, beautiful sister discovery. Thank you so much. Now the next one about RGB. RGB have over privacy protecting smart contracts that do not burn to the base chain. It is the idea of thing. Thank you so much crypto champion. अपनी खूबसूरत आँखों के साथ मौजूद हैं क्रिप्टो चैम्पियन. थैंक्स फॉर द ज्वाइनिंग क्रिप्टो चैम्पियन. आपका शुक्रिया दोस्तों ज्वाइन करने के लिए, ख़ास तौर पर डिस्कवरी के लिए. सो वंस अगेन आई रिक्वेस्ट यू प्लीज़ वोट द डिस्कवरी. थैंक यू सो मच. नाउ क्रिप्टो चैम्पियन एंड क्रिप्टो प्रिंसेस, थैंक यू सो मच फॉर ज्वाइनिंग वंस अगेन. Ishant 95, thank you so much Ishant. Thank you Ishant. Now the together the from the full stake. Now the Bitcoin trot global settlement and letting speed growing value flow. Thank you. Not to the permission controlization. Thank you the LN issues. Thank you so much for joining my dear friend Discovery Crypto Princess Hizzle. Thank you so much. I think now the LN issues with the just a few simple click project or user can issue their own Chopper assets and the RGB assets on the LN issue a one-time inch for the requirement to the issue and assets. These fees cover the cost of issuing the asset, launching, campaigning or LN store, airdrop and listing on the P2P marketplace. Thank you so much my dear QNB and Crypto Champion also. Thank you so much and Discovery. थैंक यू फॉर ज्वाइनिंग ऑल ऑफ़ यू माय डियर फ्रेंड. तमाम ही दोस्तों का बेहद शुक्रिया ज्वाइन करने के लिए. और तो आगे की चलते हैं, आगे की जानब. थैंक यू सो मच. नाउ द वंस इशू ऑन द इशू स्टोरिगल ensuring to the run at last one of launch campaigning before the listing their assets on their marketplace, helping build aware and community engagement. Thank you so much Crypto Eyes. Let's always support each other my dear brother. Thank you so much for your lovely comments Discovery my beautiful sister. Thank you for joining and thank you for your beautiful comments. Thank you for the comments and I also support you because you are deserving. You are true friend and true sister. Thank you so much Discovery. Thank you so much. Now the insurer retain 50% ownership of the future fees granted by the corresponding assets and trading the activity on the P2P marketplace. This ensure the long-term arrangement between the issue and user. Thank you so much Crypto Champion once again. Thank you for joining. तो फाइनली हम जा रहे हैं अपने एंड की तरफ, प्रोजेक्ट के एंड की जानिब. LN started. Thank you so much Discovery Crypto Princess my dear. You are also wonderful. Yes, of course. LN and started is the token launch platform for Taproot's asset and RGB asset that enable projects to the run launchpad and launch pool, campaigning ILOS and Intel listing, offering the community funding. Thank you so much once again all of you. Vote for Discovery. Yes, bilkul. Absolutely good my dear friend Crypto Champion. Yes, vote for Discovery. My word for discovery. Thank you so much. What is the Intel Lightning offering? ILO. Thank you, Crypto Princess, Crypto Champion, and Discovery. All of you beautiful friends, join my live stream. This is the beauty of my live stream, my dear friend, for you. Now, once again, the what is the Intel Lightning offering LOI? The an Intel listing offering ILO is the token offering launch and the Bitcoin listing network design provide the fair transaction process to all participation. ILO ensure for the everywhere. What is the LN launch pad? Thank you so much. Now the Jane instant across to the fastest way to launch on your asset, raise funds and build the Throttly community all with our powerful site of tools. Their inclusive model help project maximize, explore, reach border communities and ensure the fair early asset from the day one. Launchpad scale combining open sales. Thank you. Pray. Thank you so much for praying. Now open sale. The open sale offer a fully permission launch path of the term and value automatic. There are the application. Thank you so much for joining. Open sale offer the full permission launch. Thank you so much for joining my dear friend. आपका शुक्रिया दोस्तों ज्वाइन करने के लिए. You are right my dear friend. You are absolutely right. आपका शुक्रिया. तो चलते हैं आगे की जानिब my dear friend. Thank you so much for joining. तो आगे की तरफ चलते हैं. Now the future scale. Thank you so much. Future sales and create the collaborative launch design for the quality community allowing with the project these underused encoding evolution to guidelines of LNFI team. Thank you Skyfall for joining. Thank you so much. Mithan finally joined. Mithan 3434 for Mithan. So my dear friend, the next one I tell you. Thank you so much. What is the LN Launchpad? A fair transparency and enable token launch. Launch pool is the next generation launch mechanism built on the element manipulation and every equal to opportunities for all. It's unfair for three transformation phase with contact or driven interest by the immediate return of Bitcoin. Black has secularization. Thank you so much, Colonel Baba, once again for joining. आपका शुक्रिया. Now there are two types. Thank you so much for joining. There are two types of this. चलते हैं आगे की जानिब और आपको बताते हैं there are two type of this. Token sales, token scale and permutation price and the raffle token gave it to zero phase. Thank you so much for joining. What is the fair? Thank you so much all of you once again. What is the fair of this? Oh my god, thank you so much for joining once again all my dear friend to join my live stream. Thank you all of you my dear friend. तो चलते हैं अभी हम आगे की जानिब और आपको ले चलते हैं आगे की जानिब. Thank you so much my dear friend. Thank you all of you. Now the what is the fair? Enable winner is the selected based on the real-time Bitcoin blocks and verifiable public and the impossible to multiple. Thank you so much joining my live stream my dear friend. Thank you so much all of you once again. Now the next one, how it to work. Thank you. Phase 1. Thank you so much my dear friend. Phase 1 participation, log assets into the any one of 12 launch pool and monitor leaderboard strengthening and secure your spot account. Now phase 2, the lottery draw. Thank you. The logged asset any of the 12 launch pool, monitor leaderboard and strategy and secure your spot account. Thank you so much once again. Now the phase 3, the claim reward. If you pool with the remain, claim your reward and all locked assets will retain 50% after phase 1 and the rest during the phase 3. Thank you so much. तो ये है हमारा आज का क्या कहते हैं अपना sorry my dear friend once again. Thank you so much, Claim. This is the white paper of this, my dear friend. Thank you, Claim, for joining. My dear friend, Claim, welcome to join my stream. Thank you so much. Now, Gate Alpha listed LN trade to share 1 000 000 LN airdrops. I tell you. Now, the Gate Alpha listing LNFI network LN time limit airdrop bonus event in trade to share airdrop pool. Queen LN full name LNFI network and public chain BNB chain. Contract addresses आपके सामने मौजूद है. Thank you so much once again. Please follow and pick the reward, my dear friend. Now, first of all, I tell you the project in introduction. LNFI network unlock the multiple asset DeFi on the Lightning Network thought to next generation financial infrastructure and enable user to trade on and manage Bitcoin and teapots asset and RGB assets via listing. Now the event period July 25, 2025, 11 July to 30 July 2025 1559 UTC. तो इसको भी हम ज्वाइन करते हैं. मोगानी, थैंक यू सो मच फॉर ज्वाइनिंग मोगानी, माय डियर फ्रेंड. Now join now. इसको हम join करते हैं. Thank you so much, Libo. Now the Gate Alpha listed trade share 1 000 000 LN airdrops. Thank you for joining. आप तमाम दोस्तों का बेहद शुक्रिया ज्वाइन करने के लिए. Now you see the top quality by the trading volume of 500 USDT. During the event, data from the provised day will be updated after the 3:00 UTC daily. After the event concludes, the final qualification data will updated. Reward number 1, top 100 win 100 US. Trade LN on the Gate Alpha with 500 USDT total during the event. Top 100 by the total by volume get 2000 LN airdrop. Thank you so much. Now the reward 2. First 2000 get 1 USDT. Thank you. The trade LN on the Gate Alpha with the 100 USDT total by the during the event LN. Thank you so much. And 200 LN airdrop for the first 2000 user. First come it first receive. My trade volume 0.100. Reward 3 days check in the get 200. 20. Now trade 50 USD daily to check in. Acclimate 3 checks in during the event to share 400 LN pool by the checked in day. Rito max 400 LN per user. My trading once again, you see. Now join to get Alpha community and more like. Thank you. Now the event note. Click join now. Requirement to the statement of system for the record your data. And now number 2, check in the Rito assets. Thank you so much once again joining. Trading strategic period 000000. Now 235959 UTC daily account as check it the day. 3 only user who meet to the requirement are eligible for the rewards. Please the event rules carefully. Number 4, the reward value and dispensing event page in the stimulate fuel flagger for reference only. For the actual reward value, please refer to the official announcement and actual distribution result. Their redirection from the event page lead only the Alpha trading zone. The cryptocurrency and display the corrected page does not notice and expanded from the event specification. Please verify the expect cryptocurrency content required to the event in the financial final announcement. Thank you so much. This is my dear friend Gate Alpha listed. Now the final I tell you, my dear friend, हमने इसको ज्वाइन किया था. अभी हम चलते हैं अबाउट LNFI नेटवर्क LN लर्न मोर के ऊपर. थैंक यू सो मच वंस अगेन फॉर ज्वाइनिंग माय डियर फ्रेंड. क्रिप्टो मैकबुक फाइनली ज्वाइनिंग क्रिप्टो मैकबुक. थैंक यू सो मच क्रिप्टो मैकबुक फॉर ज्वाइनिंग. आपका शुक्रिया. वेलकम, खुश आमदीद. जी आई नो हालन वसारन मरहबा. तमाम तर में ही आपको मैंने वेलकम कर दिया. एंड आल्सो गुड टू सी यू माय डियर फ्रेंड. And also Mogani, thank you so much Mogani. And Crypto MacBook, thank you for joining and thank you for the comments, my dear friend Crypto MacBook. Thank you Crypto Champion, thank you so much. Now the event period July 2025 10 a.m. August to 4 August to 2025 10 a.m. UTC. How to participate? Step 1, visit the active page. Step 2, complete task to earn chance to the SMSH Smash Golden Eggs. Thank you. Now the next one, the step 3, daily select the golden egg or click the play button to choose, then rock it win the prize. Thank you. Now the rules I tell you. User can collect the trading balls and lucky balls by the completing of any following task. User can exchange the ball reward 3 trading balls 1 LN. Thank you so much, Crypto Champion and other friend. Thank you for joining. Now number 3, the task invite new friend. Thank you. Invite new user to register a complete signed deposit any amount in LN spot trading of future trading to get chance. Number 2, invite the complete task single deposit or less 100 in any token accumulate to 500 spot trading volume of reach 2000 in future trading volume in the inter get to additional chance up to the 500 new user. Thank you so much. New user can be on. Thank you. The token number 3. Take task number 3. New user bonus. Registration and complete single deposit of any amount LN on spot trading of future trading to get one chance. Number 2. A single deposit of less 100 in token or 500 in the spot trading volume of 2000 in future trading volume get to 3 chance. Now task number 4. Launch poll. One user participation in launch pool for the first time will get 3 chance during the event. Not first time participation will get 1 chance to the launch pool participation. Task 5, share to win. Share this page when friends and the initiative successfully log into the page and complete any task intervention can win up to 500. Now the each individual user can contribute to maximum of 1 share link. Invite successfully log into the page and complete any task which consider valid and valid invitation. Now you see the number of people successfully reward तो आपके सामने मौजूद हैं. Now the total prize pool 500. The prize pool will be divided according to the ranking of number of inviting. Thank you. Now note, all participation need to click the join button and the complete identity verification before the event and to the be eligible for the reward. Number 2, trading volume. Buy volume, sell volume, user spot trading volume should reach 500 future trading volume and reach 1000 during the event period of reward. The need reward. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Now the to deposit only Intel transfer and gate dot deposit are not individual. Number 5, trading balls 6 LN collected the lucky balls to spot 2 LN based on the right of each user ball. Thank you. Now number 4, the prize pool. The user event are lower a to 2000000 LN reward will be distributed in the full amount. If the draw price are more than 2000000 LN reward will be split based on the right of user price. Reward will be distributed 14 working days after the event and that can be checked into the transaction history. The reward of 5 is gate points valid of 30 days. Reward will be distributed within the 14 working days with after the event end and can be checked or used in the voucher. Please active and use the voucher within the validity period of expert voucher valid. Now number 5, the market cooperative and institutional account, affiliate account and the sub account, a chat account, partner account and sub partner account are not eligible to participate in the event. Number 6, if user participate in the other activity on gate stability, they will only receive their remand from the active. Now number 7, the user of duplicate account and any other cheating behavior such inflection of trading volume, bulk registration or of fake account, self-trading order mechanism etc. strictly proportion of user for sub account and master account and multiple accounts with the same identity information will be demanded as the same on user. Will the trading volume of sub account without the consent the master account and sub account are eligible to the not eligible for the participation in the event. Now number 8, where any discrepancy between the translated version and English original English version shall prevail. Original English version shall prevail. Now the gate reserve all right to final explanation. This event is not affiliate with the Apple link. User in the United Kingdom and the other registered location cannot access this service including the participation in the game or competition. See the user agreement for the further detail on registered location. Game team July 25, 2025 gateway to crypto. Trade over 3,500 cryptocurrency. safely, quickly, and easily on Gate. Take action, sign up, and claim up to 10,000 in welcome reward. Invite friend to earn 40% commission. Stay content. Visit Gate official website. Download and Gape app desktop. Follow us on X Tutor to get more business. Join our Telegram community to discuss hot topic. Engage the global community for the latest insights, transparency, and security. Proof of 100% reserve of प्रूफ ऑफ 100% रिजल्ट. थैंक यू सो मच. तो दोस्तों आपने देखा मेरा आज का टॉपिक था LNFI नेटवर्क LN ट्रेडिंग फेयर ग्रांटेड विन ट्रेड टू द SM गोल्डन एज शेयर 10,000 LN. तो हमने इसके ऊपर बात की, हमने इसको ज्वाइन किया, इसकी ऑफिशियल वेबसाइट आपको दिखाई और तमाम तर जो इससे रिलेटेड मालूमात थी वो आप दोस्तों के साथ शुरू की. LNF नेटवर्क LN ट्रेडिंग. तो बने रहने के लिए, जुड़े रहने के लिए आप तमाम दोस्तों का मैं बेहद शुक्रगुजार हूँ जिन्होंने फॉलो किया, लाइक किया, कमेंट्स किया. ख़ास तौर पर क्रिप्टो चैम्पियन, क्रिप्टो मैकबुक, क्रिप्टो प्रिंसेस, डिस्कवरी एंड अदर तमाम ही दोस्तों का बेहद शुक्रिया ज्वाइन करने के लिए. तो इंशाल्लाह कल आपसे दोबारा मुलाकात होगी. हम एक नए टॉपिक के साथ, एक नए प्रोजेक्ट के साथ आपसे बात करेंगे. तो दीजिएगा मुझे कल तक इजाज़त. अल्लाह हाफिज़, बाय बाय. और अपनी दुआओं में मुझे याद रखिएगा और अपना बहुत सारा ख्याल रखिएगा. वंस अगेन थैंक यू ऑल ऑफ़ यू. थैंक यू सो मच. अल्लाह हाफिज़, बाय बाय, टेक केयर.